Welcome back everybody. So guys, in this class I just want to show you a very little piece of information about this project we've made in a previous class. Actually, you know that how we're just getting the data of this input. We're just getting the data of this input by using this ID, the user input. And what we're doing, we are simply, you know that we're just making a variable here and we're just getting the ID through the get element by ID method. And here is I'm just getting the value, and then here I'm just sending that value, but I just need to get the value of that element every time. But there is another best way, this dot value. If you remember that we just learned about this keyword, I'm just going to show you THIS. This keyword is actually for just simply this one. So there we can use that keyword again, simply THIS this and press point, the period, this dot value. Okay, now what is the mean of this dot value? Means the value of this object, or basically this input. Okay, I'm just sending the value of this input, through this AJAX function to the JavaScript, okay, on key up. So now we just don't need to use this user input. We can delete that, and then exactly we can delete that too. Now save and go to the browser back. This is a little simple and easy to do. Refresh the page, and now I'm just typing here the Brazil again, and it's not working. That means something's wrong. Go there, and what is the issue here? Oh yes, the issue is very simple, that we're just still sending the user input, which is not defined anywhere in the whole JavaScript. Basically what we need to do here, you know that we're just sending the data through the parameter. So here we just need to make a receiver of that value. So here I'm just making the parameter. What I'm just making, I'm just typing here the user input. Okay, now I'm just making the variable here, okay, in the function, in the parentheses of the function, and here where is the value of this function, where we're just calling the function. We're just calling the function inside an input, and the value we're getting, the input's value through the AJAX function. Okay, so it's going there, and here it's becoming a variable, and then I'm assigning that variable, I'm sending that variable through the var1's value as the var1's value through this open request, and we're just sending that to the process ajax.php. Now go to the browser and refresh the page, and let's just check that out again, the Brazil, the Brazil in the list. Okay, so this is perfect. Something where I just want to clear you that if you just put the B as a small, then it's not working because this is case sensitive. Don't forget that. So guys, in the next class we'll do something more interesting. Stay tuned and goodbye.